Welcome to Gear Grinders, where power meets precision and performance is more than just a spec sheet, it's a way of life. Today, we're shifting gears into the world of high-performance SUVs with the jaw-dropping return of the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. That's right, the Hellcat is back, and it's bringing a supercharged storm with it. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement on wheels. Let's take a closer look at what makes this beast a must-have for muscle enthusiasts and thrill-seeking drivers alike. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat doesn't just hint at performance, it screams it. The exterior gets a subtle refresh with a more aggressive front fascia, a blacked-out grille, and functional air intakes that make it as menacing as it is muscular. A reworked hood with heat extractors adds both form and function, emphasizing its track-ready attitude. The LED lighting has been sharpened, and optional 20-inch lightweight wheels complete its dominant stance. Inside, it's all about premium meets performance. Alcantara and leather seats, red stitching, carbon fiber trim, and Hellcat badging throughout make sure you never forget what you're driving. The cabin is both comfortable and sporty, designed for those who want luxury without losing the thrill. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood is where the magic happens. The 6.2L Supercharged HEMI V8 makes a thunderous return, delivering an insane 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. It rockets this three-row SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. That's not just fast for an SUV, that's sports car territory. Mated to a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic and an all-wheel drive system, the Durango SRT Hellcat is as capable on the drag strip as it is handling your daily drive. Whether you're merging onto the freeway or launching off the line, this SUV never holds back. Tech and safety. While the engine grabs headlines, Dodge hasn't skimped on technology. The 2025 model includes the latest Uconnect 5 infotainment system with a massive 10.1-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, voice command, and customizable user profiles. A premium Harman Kardon sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making long drives feel even better. On the safety side, expect adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and a performance-tuned braking system to bring all that speed to a halt when needed. Every drive feels secure and under control. Conclusion. The 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is everything you love about American muscle, stuffed into a family-sized package that doesn't compromise on power, style, or tech. It's bold, brutally fast, and packed with features that make it as functional as it is fun. Whether you're heading to the track, towing your toys, or just dropping the kids off at school in the most badass way possible, this Hellcat delivers. For more exciting reviews, subscribe to Gear Grinders.